Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We did 500 hours of programming during that time. We were shooting for I think almost 5 hours, 6 hours every day, and we were post-producing those lectures of 10 students of around 4 to 4.5 hours every day.
It's a very small goal to make the nation read. It's a small goal because it is in the hands of headmasters, and headmasters and teachers can do anything. Because all people, it's a Prime Minister, Chief Minister, bureaucrats, sports, doctors, engineers, they're all created by whom? They're all created by teachers. And even on the ground, they can read anything as part of Read India and summarize that in a Word document or a PDF in 2 pages. Page number 1 is the learnings from the book or the story or the message. Second is they have to pick any problem of their choice and propose a solution. Like it could be a problem in their locality, community, school, or Goa or India. And then we want the second submission is a video submission. We want students to make a 2-minute video with self-introduction. They can either talk about the learnings from the book or the message or their views on a topic. Go to the website www.readindia.info. So here, if it's students, they can click here. Citizens, they can register. All the details are here. They can give name, email, phone number, and password. Once sign up is accepted, you can pay 100 or 50. It accepts UPI or internet banking, any of the payment means available. It takes you to my profile where the school name, class details. Here they can upload files. The 2 files I talked about, one Word or PDF. We recommend PDF. And the second is the video file. Simple, click on add new files. File uploaded successfully. Students can go there, teachers can go there, they can verify, they can see that's a logo or document we have uploaded. 15th August is the last date for registrations. Submissions close by 30th August.